Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to cook this quick breakfast, the recipe for this simple breakfast that is very easy, very affordable. You will be obsessed. You'll be cooking this daily. It melts your mouth, leave you full for hours. Very simple. So welcome. For the ingredients, we're going to be using bread, blue band, 3 eggs, a pinch of salt, and cooking oil. Just that. Imagine, guys. So subscribe as you watch for more amazing content like this one. So first step, you spread your blue band to the slices of bread that you need very well on one side. After you're done with that, the next step is to break your eggs. You can use 2 or 3. For me, I was using 3 eggs. You break your eggs one at a time. You add salt, just a little bit, and then you whisk your eggs until they are well mixed. And the next step is heat your pan, add cooking oil or butter, and then you start pan toasting the bread. You start the side that has blue band. Since I don't have a toaster, this is how I was doing, like toast frying or pan toasting the bread until it's golden in color and it has that crunchiness, and then you flip on the other side. You wait until it's the same, like golden brown, and then it's ready. You set it aside. Repeat the same procedure if you have more slices of bread for each slice, and then you set it aside. And the next step, you add more cooking oil into the same frying pan, wait it to heat, and then you add your whisked eggs and let it cook for some few minutes, and then you start mixing everything, like scrambling everything until it's well cooked and with some brownish color or golden brown, and then it's ready. And then you sandwich your scrambled eggs with the pan toasted bread. Like you put the scrambled eggs in between the 2 pan toasted slices of bread, and you have like a sandwich like, and you have your breakfast. This is very easy, as you've seen, very easy to make. It's very sweet, very perfect for breakfast, and this will keep you full for hours. It melts your mouth. It's very easy, guys. And then I had 2 bananas. I peeled the bananas and put them aside, and I was eating this sandwich like bread and the 2 bananas. Very easy. It won't take much of your time, as you have seen already. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more amazing content like this video. Share with your friends and families, and comment down below what you think about this recipe. Will you eat or pass? Bye bye till next time.